Looking for online jobs pero nalilito ka kung paano ipe-present lahat ng work experience mo? In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional-looking application book sa Google Docs para mapansin ka na ng clients kahit beginner ka pa. Hi, I'm Mary, and I am your virtual work mentor. I help aspiring virtual assistants and freelancers land clients with confidence. Today, I will teach you step by step how to organize and list your previous work experience sa Google Docs, all inside a Google folder that I would call application book. Simple, clean, at ready to send sa clients. At this point, especially if you are one of our mentees, you are ready to take the next step, and that is to apply. And dito sa mentorship program namin, we call it the application book. Kaya your first step would be to create your Google folder, label it application book. So to do that, simply have to open Google Drive, click the new button, tap folder, and name it application book. Yung ibang ginagawa nila is application book 2025 if they feel like changing it the following year. But overall, para siyang mini portfolio mo. So, lahat ng application files mo dito nakastore. Think of it as your online binder. Next, inside this folder, open a new Google Doc. Basically, all you have to do is double-click your application book folder, hit New sa upper left corner again, and then choose Google Docs. This is your very first step. This is where you will list all your previous work experience. By saving it here, organized agad at easy to update anytime. Your next step is to structure your work experience list. So, gumawa ka ng clear na headings. For example, job title or role, pangalan ng company or ng client, yung date na nag-work ka, at ano yung mga key tasks at achievements mo. Use bullet points for tasks. Say, for example, you managed email inbox for 500 plus subscribers or created 20 TikTok posts per month. I think it's also important na dito sa part na to, mag-add ka ng links and samples if possible. Kasi if meron kang sample work or live links, ilagay mo na rin dyan. You wanna highlight the text, click the link button, and paste the URL. Or pwede rin naman na i-paste mo na lang siya ng direkta para lang just in case na gusto mong balikan or halimbawa gusto mong isend directly sa clients. Pag binasa ng client, one click lang, they would be able to see your proof of work. And right after that, you just have to save and update regularly. Huwag mo kalimutang i-rename yung doc na to with something like Mary_experience list para clear sa'yo, easier for you to find the document, and alam mo na kagad kung ano at para saan yung list or document na yon. Update it every time you finish a new gig. That way, always fresh ang credentials mo. You see, nung nag-merged ang Odesk at Elance, dun ko na-realize na wala pala akong updated na resume. Alam mo yung pag nag-a-apply ako as a virtual assistant, the only time na nakita ko talaga kung ano yung mga experiences na meron na ako is when I made my own application book. Nakaseparate na yung resume, cover letter, at work experience list ko. So, as a result, mas mabilis ako natatanggap kasi organized and easy to review lahat ng files ko. Now, here's my question. Ano sa tingin mo yung pinakamahirap i-list dun sa work experience mo? Task, results, tools, or maybe may tinatago kang previous work na ayaw mo nang mabuklat ng clients. I-comment mo nga dyan sa baba. No judgment. I just want to see kung ano yung mga current challenges natin ngayon. Also, kung gusto mo pa ng maraming tips like this para sa freelancing journey mo, mag-subscribe ka na, hit that bell icon kasi promise more step-by-step VA hacks coming up soon. And that is it. You now have your own application book. You learned how to create a Google folder inside a Google Drive, and you also created a Google Doc inside that folder. On top of that, mas madali na yung application mo. You would be able to actually present this as a proof na organized ka at professional ka and client ready ka. In my next video, I'll probably drop another video about how to write a winning cover letter in under 10 minutes para mas complete na yung application toolkit mo. Or baka may questions kayo dyan about working from home, i-comment nyo na lang dyan, and I'll see you sa next vlog.